Good morning. Let's talk about conflict resolution video number 6. All right, we got persecutor, we got rescuer, we got victim. We've made it sound easy how to avoid drama at this point. So let's talk about why it's not easy. So I'm going to involve a little bit of neuroscience here. So the neuroscience is your gift. The Gift of Fear. It's a great book, by the way. You should check it out. The Gift of Fear is all about what happens when a challenge comes along. And what you want is a sustainable resolution, not a temporary resolution. So what happens is you get a physiological response. So what does a lion do when faced with a challenge? It wants to fight. A lion wants to fight. What does a gazelle do? A gazelle wants to flee. It wants to run away from the problem. What does a turtle do when it's faced with a challenge? A turtle wants to jump inside of its shell and freeze. So what neuroscience tells us is you tremble, therefore you are afraid. Believe it or not, first you get a physiological response, then you get an associated emotion. So you tremble, therefore you're afraid. So you either want to fight, which is persecutor, you want to run away, which believe it or not is rescuer, or it could be a little bit of victim and rescuer at the same time, but you want to get away from the situation, or you just want to freeze. And people do each one of those things when they're faced with a challenge, and all of them produce a temporary result. We've got to address this challenge, and I'll do a little bit of that in the next couple of videos. Take care.